That blizzard warning that's going into effect this morning, bringing several feet, well, more than several feet. We're talking 5, maybe even 12 feet of snow, for some of the higher elevations up in Tahoe.
Meteorologist John Strable saying if you're not up there already, do not go. Michael Thomas is live with more on what you need to know there and how we can stay safe. Morning, Michael.
Hi, good morning, everyone. That's right, James. Anywhere from about 5 to 10 or maybe even 12 feet of snow in the Sierra, with Lake Tahoe seeing at least a couple of those several feet, right? Now, take a live look. This is on one of the highways. We've got it up on your screen so you can see just exactly what it's looking like in that area when it comes to the snow coverage. And starting this morning at 10 o'clock, the National Weather Service is actually putting in place a blizzard warning for a 300-mile stretch from the Sierra, from north of Lake Tahoe down to south of Yosemite National Park. Now, the area is said to have a widespread blowing snow that'll create essentially blizzard-like and whiteout conditions, meaning it's going to be extremely dangerous and almost impossible to drive because you won't be able to see even within a few feet in front of you. Experts say there may be anywhere between 2 to 4 feet of snow in towns along Tahoe's shore, and as we mentioned, 5 to 10 feet in the highest elevations of the Sierra. And there's also expected to be winds gusting anywhere from about 90 to 100 miles an hour. Significantly, impactful for people, and PG&E along with Pacific Gas say crews are already on standby because they do expect disruptions during this entire point. And they want to remind people just be safe, use caution. We spoke with meteorologist John Strable this morning, who had this to say regarding his thoughts on if you're actually planning to head up there.
So if you had plans on getting to the Sierra, it is time to cancel those, to reconsider. And if you are going to be in the Sierra already, fully plan on being snowed in for multiple days. Have those go bags ready, multiple days worth of food. It is very important to be ready to not be able to move once you get up there.
Now, again, this is lasting all throughout the weekend, so you probably should just take John's advice. Nobody wants to be snowed in at any point. Back out here live, you can see here in the city of San Francisco, it's already a bit chilly. It's drizzling or so just try to stay warm and, of course, stay off those roads and stay out of harm's way. Live this morning in San Francisco. I will send it back to you two live in the studio.
All right, out of harm's way. We hope to stay. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Michael.